Dude, remember that Rebel Kid controversy when I tell you I was not okay? I wasn't angry, I wasn't sad, I was just blank.
Same. I literally watched the video and I didn't know how to feel about it. Like, I expected my genes to explain to me what just happened.
Right? My nervous system was like, thank you very much, good night, bye. I was like physically logged in but emotionally logged out.
Okay, let's back up. For context, Apurva Mukhija, aka the Rebel Kid, goes on to India's Got Latent, cracks a couple of sharp jokes, and then crowds mixed. Internet explodes.
Like boom, boom, breaking. She was called elitist, classist, problematic, anything that you can think of. FIRs, brand deals, and even finding a house. Poof, all gone. She didn't even have a corner to cry in.
So it's not that she just got cancelled, right? Her entire life was on fire.
And yet, despite all of that, I didn't post, I didn't comment, I did nothing. I just froze. And I kind of felt guilty for doing nothing about it. एंड यू नो व्हाट्स वियर्ड दो मैं उसे फॉलो करती हूँ वो ऑब्वियसली मुझे फॉलो नहीं करती वी हैव नेवर मेट बट व्हेन दिस होल कंट्रोवर्सी वाज हैपनिंग माय होल चेस्ट वाज जस्ट क्लेंचिंग एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई
I'll tell you, because you see someone else getting punished for a version of you which the world doesn't like to see.
whoa I didn't think of it like that bro she got abused for being confident funny slightly abusive and they called her too much but that's literally me on 2 hours of sleep it was scary.
Exactly. That's what made you freeze because somewhere inside you feel that could have easily been me, right?
Like watching someone get slapped for the same joke I could have easily made in a different mood. Like कभी कभी मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ bro so my body just shut down as if not reacting is equal to not being visible which is equal to not getting hurt.
Okay, slight psychology detour. You know, fight or flight, right?
The iconic duo like dosa and filter coffee.
Well, there's a lesser known sibling called freeze. It's when your body can't fight, your body can't run, so it just decides to stop. Mentally, physically, emotionally, just still.
Oh, so it's basically me at family functions when an auntie comes and says, Beta, what do you even do?
Exactly. You're not lazy or avoidant. Your nervous system is just in a self preservation mode.
Oh, so you're saying when I didn't react to the whole Apurva controversy, I wasn't being passive. I was just protecting my peace, kinda?
Yeah, or maybe protecting a younger version of you, which felt being silent is equal to being safe.
Wait. I just remembered something. When I was in 8th grade, I told a story to the whole class, which was apparently rude. Everyone laughed, but my teacher didn't. And for some reason, she made me apologize in front of everybody.
That's an absolute instant freeze origin story.
And since then, whenever somebody gets put in their place online, my I just feel responsible like I need to do something about it or I need to just disappear.
Because your body remembers that shame, not logically but somatically. You know, your tight stomach, your tight throat, your tight back. That is all not apathy, but it's just your body having memory.
Whoa, this is getting way too real for a Tuesday.
Okay, so what now? Let's say you're frozen up. What do you do next?
Obviously, panic.
No, but you first acknowledge it. Literally say to yourself that, oh, my body's in a freeze mode right now.
Step 2. Don't judge it. You're just buffering, let it happen.
Step 3. Ask yourself what exactly feels unsafe about this moment. Is it the fear of being wrong? Is it the fear of being publicly shamed? Or is it the fear of being too much yet again?
And step 4, choose a response. Maybe it could be journaling, maybe it could be texting your one emotionally available friend, or take a burning hot shower, or a freezing cold one, whatever floats your boat. But choose a reaction.
And maybe sometimes you do not have to react at all, but consciously, not out of fear.
Okay, so if you froze during the Rebel Kid controversy or you felt guilty about doing nothing about it, don't worry. You're not heartless, you're not indifferent, you're just human with some old wounds.
And some very valid survival instincts.
So we do not need to pick sides all the time, but we do need to ask ourselves, why did this affect me more than I expected?
And sometimes the answer is because I got into trouble for being myself too.
Phew, okay, this was a lot.
Yeah. You want ice cream?
Obviously.
Cool. Subscribe if you felt seen or you're in your freeze era because you'll melt eventually.
So just stay soft, stay buffering, and stay you.
Thank you.